Bod has found a 3D picture. It's really unusual because it moves as you move. Got over 100 steps now to get to the top of the tower. It's another lift now to the top. Oh. This is the bell tower. Nice and breezy actually. Actually, you don't get any idea of the scale and how big those things are. More stairs. We're getting even higher now. Getting a bit ridiculous now. Oh, right, here we go. Right to the top. I think Lucy's traumatised. And there's the view. There's the little pointy bits on the corners, the turrets. God, is our hotel down there?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, Lucy just found John Lewis.
Oh.
That's the Hilton. Find the Hilton.
Wow. Is that Everton football club?
Well, it's got a lid on it.
Well, it might be. It might be a football stadium. Everton.
Do they? But
Yeah.
they roof it, do
Yeah,
they?
like Wembley. Yeah.
I never, oh, okay.
They sort of half roof it, don't they?
Do they?
Yeah. We've got to get back down now. And it's really steep. God, we're a long way up as well. This actually is very high up, isn't it? There are the bells right below there, so we were right above. We were up there. And the bells are down. There. Oh, it's scary. I don't know if I can put the camera over. There you go. There's the bells. These windows, they're letting a lovely draft. It's really nice actually. It's cooling. So if you come up here on a cold day, it's going to be freezing. I think we've been lucky because it's so sunny this week. We've got really good weather and it's not cold, but I dread to think what this would be like in the winter. It'd be terrible up here. How many millions of bricks have gone into building this? It's ridiculous. And how did anyone stand up here and lay those bricks? It's so high. Jesus provides. We've got a lift.
Embroidery.
It's taking ages.
Oh, they've got a cafe on top of the shop. I didn't see that. Oh, let's have a look.
You want to go to the cafe? God, this
Yeah, why not?
lift is taking forever.
Let's go for a coffee and I'll get Lucy.
God,
What number is it?
I don't know. Is it using Greek or something?
Well, we're number 10.
Do you think it's broken?
No, that would be funny. I don't know.
Yeah, the readout's broken. There you go. We're here. No, we're at floor 10, are we? There's no
There
one.
is no 5.
So we've got to go to level 5, and that's the ground. So what's below 5?
The devil.
Oh, it's not changing floors very quickly. It's taking ages, look, to go between floors. Oh. So the lift doesn't actually take you to the floor, it takes you to another set of steps. So we've got another lift. Oh, blimey. Oh, we've got ground now. So we've made it. So those bells are the world's highest and heaviest peal of bells. They're going for another whisper. Look, Helen on one side, Lucy the other.
I don't mind holy coffee or holy water.
These are the tallest stained glass windows in the world. Pretty as well, really bright and vibrant. You'd think the sign should say presentation theatre and toilets, but actually it says toilets and presentation theatre. I wonder if the presentation is in the toilet. A very nice little gift shop. Down the road from the cathedral, it's Chinatown. And I think this might be one of the oldest ones in the country, or if it might be the oldest, I'm not sure.
Well,
without your glasses,
yeah. Oh,
very
that's way
posh.
better. I love you without your glasses. Ready, silly, go.
Smile. Actually, it seems a bit quiet down here. So it looks like it goes from this line up to the other line up the other end. So at least for today, Chinatown seems really quite quiet. Not a lot of people around. A few people having lunch on the pavement there, but that's about it really.